What's the meaning of ball? Ball. Ball.
Ball. Ball. The word ball has multiple meanings and can refer to different objects depending on the context. In general, a ball is a round object used in various sports, games, or activities. It can be made of different materials such as rubber, plastic, leather, or metal. The shape and size of the ball can vary based on its intended use. For example, a soccer ball is larger and lighter than a baseball. Additionally, ball can also refer to a formal social gathering or a spherical object in science or mathematics. The meaning of ball is often determined by the context in which it is used.